Want to welcome everyone to Global FX Radio's Market Wrap-Up Show YouTube. I'm your host, Andrew Spanton. August the 4th, 2009. What a day, I got to say. Oh, my goodness, what a day. If I only knew the futures were going to sell off last night in Asia, wouldn't have had a problem. But certainly everything exploded last night in Asia like we thought. But those futures came in sharply. Bond yields came in the middle of the night. UBS bad news. So certainly dollar yen got clocked, sterling carry trade, but the stock market made a monster comeback. Dollar index, as we see here, I'm going long, people. I think we probably bounce a little bit. I see hanging men across the board all over the place. Take a look. As I speak right now, I did the show a little bit late. It's 5:12. Everything's selling off. We sold everything on the close. Euro's selling off. Cable selling off. Love the Aussie to the downside. Again, I think we probably bounce up here and then we reverse tomorrow. I'm not looking for a big dollar explosion. I just think we rally and then maybe we sell off at the end of the day. Something like that. Something. But again, looking at these the charts, to me, not looking very good. Dollar index. Let's take a look at. I don't want that actually. Take a look at the S&P futures daily chart grinding higher. I mean, this is insane. I mean, look at this chart. I got to light a cigarette for that one. I mean, it's just nuts. I mean, how many days up? Killing it. Hey, listen, we got stopped down the carry trade last night, but, we bought them back in the morning because, again, it was a joke. It was a joke. You knew the futures were down. There was no way they were going to hold the stock market down. Remember, like I said, in my opinion, when the stock market reverses, the S&P futures will be up huge and then have a monster reversal. Something like this. That's not even that monster, but you know what I'm saying. A real negative, up 20 handles, down on the day. Something like that. We aren't getting that. And but this does look like a hanging man. This looks a little like a hanging man. Hanging man. That means we don't go up. We go down. ADP tomorrow, that's going to suck, in my opinion. Or the futures might not think it's going to be good. Oil, grinding higher. Good inventory data at 4:30. Pushing up a little bit. Again, another hanging man. Climbing that wall of worry, in my humble opinion. Gold broke out today, though. Big breakout in gold. I told you over this 960, it's gone. Like the wind. The only thing that scares me with my dollar bullish scenario. So keep your eye on gold tonight. Gold tonight should be very important. Certainly we have a lot of data coming out tonight. London numbers I think are going to be good. We get 7 o'clock numbers tonight in Eastern Standard Time. I don't think that's going to be a major market impact, but I'll tell you what. The numbers coming out of London tonight at 4:30 p.m. a.m. Eastern are going to be big. So watch that. Very important there. But look at this euro dollar. I see a doji. I think we come back down. We retest easy. We're already starting to retest. We sold it perfect. Cable we sold right at the close also. So, again, when they rally like that and it's a doji, it's like, oh, come on. It failed. Beautiful. You got to be in it to win it. Dollar yen took out previous day low, took out previous day high to start the night, but still, doji. I think dollar yen comes in. I think dollar yen's probably a buy should the ADP and the S&P futures be strong tomorrow. But going into it, I would imagine we're going to be weaker. Look at that shooting start in cable. Oh, baby. I love it. So this shooting start in sterling dollar to me looks pretty good. I think cable takes out 69, maybe goes to 68.50. I'm not looking for a collapse in cable. I'm looking to get long. I think the number's going to be good. But I think in Asia tonight, we'll probably push down and 68.50, I want to get long. Oh, baby. I want to be long those numbers. But again, I think we come in and we'll probably have we down and then we rally. Maybe a follow through like here and we come back. Not looking for a monster move. Euro sterling, I think these European numbers are going to be terrible. They're going to suck. Retail sales, Germany was terrible. I think this euro sterling looks very weak. Sell on strength. SOS. If London's numbers are good, this thing goes down to 84. 84.50. 84. Easy. Euro yen. We sold that one too. Look at that hanging man. Look at that hanging man. Oh, baby. You want to call it whatever you want to call it, a doji, hanging man. That means we're going down. Hey, listen, it's an obvious stop out. Takes out the previous day high. You got to get the hell out. Easy. I think the future's going to be negative. Sterling yen, same chart. Look at that doji. Oh, baby. Even coming in a little bit as we speak. Looks like nothing. I think it retests 160. Then probably get long, maybe 159. We take out 160. Look out. Aussie yen also. Same looking chart. Oh, look at that. I like it, people. My pound Aussie, it was one of my favorite ideas. It was looking very good. Listen, Steven said not very good things last night, in my opinion. That was not very good. We might come in. We might come in, retest this whole channel line. Maybe retest double par today. Maybe. But certainly not looking very good right now. And usually when you get this kind of shooting star on this thing, it does follow through. But we'll see. I still like it as long as we don't take out really 199.80. I still like it. Remember, this is the last week, my summer special. No more soup for you. Summer special. 3 months for 400. And then 200 a month thereafter. And again, new website coming this week. Excited. What are the charts I want to show you? We did Aussie yen, right? Yeah, we did Aussie yen. Look at that. Let's take a look at the hourly chart. Listen, these futures, look at that beautiful shooting star on the hourly. It's coming back up, but we roll over and take this out. Say goodnight. Good night. So I definitely, I think this Aussie yen reversed nicely on that hourly. Nice reversal bar. Sterling yen, let's take a look at that too. Shooting star, rolling over. Maybe come in. Double bottom. Look at the Aussie on the hourly. And again, if you have any questions, feel free to email me at info, I-N-F-O, at globalfxradio.com. Another shooting star. It's coming on, but as long as we don't take out these highs over here, we're just fine, thank you very much. Love it. Euro dollar, take a look at the hourly chart also. Look, rolling over. As long as we don't take this out. Listen, obviously I'm nervous. Listen, there's a flag. Absolutely. We could explode to the moon. But, the whole ascension that we saw in this euro, it sort of stalled, didn't it? So unless we take out this 44.50, I'm in. I like it. Cable. Another one. Shooting star rolling over. Broke the whole ascension. Couldn't do it last night. Double topped. 170 twice. Looks like it's rolling over. Again. And this move in dollar Canada today was significant. I think you want to be long it. Look at that hourly chart. Monster move. Right to the downtrend channel line. But still, we get down to this level here. Even right here looks pretty good to me. Nice support right at 10 exponential, 10 EMA on the hourly. Love it. Loving every minute of it. I think there's a Def Leppard, Styx, and Poison concert in West Palm Beach. Oh, no, I love Florida. Gotta go to that. New Zealand. I don't know why I mentioned that. Sorry. New Zealand again. Monster move. Aussie Kiwi completely collapsed. Look what the Aussie Kiwi did today. An absolute meltdown. No news that I really found. Monster move there. New Zealand's already selling off a little bit, but this is broken. This is, I think, even if we rally, this is a gorgeous short. Look at this Aussie Kiwi to me. You don't have a move like that without having follow through. Any rallies on this Aussie Kiwi, sell Mortimer, and that means Aussie dollar should roll over. So use that in conjunction with that. And again, Aussie yen too, hourly chart. Oh, baby. And again, if you have any questions, email info, globalfxradio.com. My Twitter, twitter.com/voice of Forex. My website, globalfxradio.com. Haven't gotten much sleep last night. And again, I think the future's going to be down going into ADP. If ADP is good, futures are probably going to be up, 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 and away to the moon, Alice. Andrew Spanton. So, you want to get long on that. But I think short into it. Global Effects Radio. Have a good night.